The videos on this channel are purely for educational purposes. In this series, which is named as I for investment, a lot of times the names of various companies would be quoted, and these companies are listed in the stock markets. However, it should be noted that the names which are quoted in the videos and which are displayed on this channel are only for educational purposes, and those companies should not be considered as an investment advice. The creator might be having those companies in the investment portfolio or might not be. Viewers are advised to consult a registered financial advisor before making any decision.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the products and services that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. Recently, we were discussing about the transportation sector as we all use transportation services on a daily basis, be it public transport or our own vehicle. And hence, we figured it out some of the listed companies in Indian stock markets for investment purpose. Now, when we talk about transportation, be it public or our own, be it heavy vehicle or light vehicle, be it commercial vehicle or a passenger vehicle, there is a thing which is common in all type of vehicles, and they are run on energy. This energy can be in the form of petroleum, diesel, CNG, or it can be electricity as well. As we were analyzing our routine and lifestyle, and hence we found that these vehicles are a part of our life and a part of our daily routine. So, if the vehicles are being run, then obviously the energy, which is the lifeblood of the vehicles, that is used to run these vehicles, cannot be ignored. There we are. We have found another sector wherein we can invest for the long run, and that is energy. Every journey begins with one invisible force, that is energy. The bike you ride, the car you drive, the bus that take millions to work, none of them move without it. Petrol powers speed, diesel carries the weight of the economy, electricity is silently changing the future. From fuel stations to charging stations, energy is everywhere, which is working 24 by 7 without asking for attention. Think about it. When people travel more, energy is consumed. When goods move, energy is consumed. When cities grows, energy demand rises. That's why energy is not just an expense, it's an investment theme. Now, when we explore the listed companies in this theme, we are introduced to oil and gas companies, power producers, transmission players, EV charging infrastructure, and a lot more. In the energy theme, these all are the sectors, and in these sectors, there exist multiple companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets. Reliance Industries Ltd, a major player in refining, petrochemicals, and energy infrastructure. ONGC Ltd, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, India's largest oil and gas producer. Oil India Ltd, it is involved in oil exploration and production. Petronet LNG, this company is involved in importing LNG and in natural gas infrastructure. HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. All of these three companies have their petrol and diesel station, and along with that, they all are also involved in supplying the gas cylinders to the households. We are not done yet with all of the companies which are listed in the energy sector. Till now, we have covered only oil and natural gas segment. We are also left with power and electricity stocks, and along with that, renewable and green energy stocks that will be covered in the forthcoming videos. Stay tuned. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then